But to really answer the biggest question of them all, why to get involved in the community?
I just want to take a minute to talk about why we think it's important to give back.
I just wanted to kind of talk to you guys about why I think it's important to be connected with your community.
I'm supposed to talk about the importance of school community and broader communities.
We have a great community here at PWHS, so I would encourage you all to get involved as high school pass by before you know it.
I wanted to be a part of this because I think being involved in school and then being involved in the community is super important and definitely has altered the path in my life.
I have the pleasure today to talk about what it means to me to have Port Pride, to be a pirate, what community means to me and our business and my family, and what it means to give back and how those all relate.
Hi everyone, this is Ali Kofta, or as you know me, Miss Kofta. I graduated from PWHS in 2017. Go Pirates! This is my first year teaching here though, so I'm very excited. I am teaching Algebra 2 and Geometry.
Good morning, Justin Bain from Lake Financial Group. I was born and raised in Port Washington. This is the town I grew up in, town I'm raising my family in.
Hey everyone, my name is Miss Groff and I am a Port Washington High School graduate of the year of 2016. Now I am currently a special education teacher here at the high school.
Hi, people of Port Washington. My name is Patrick McCutcheon. I graduated from Port High in 2010, and I am a professional musician. I live in Los Angeles.
Hey there, everyone. My name is Taylor Zimdar, special education teacher here at Port Washington High School. I graduated from Port High 10 years ago with the class of 2013. Prior to that, I was a proud TJMS Jaguar and a Lincoln Lion as well.
Hey there, my name is Liz Holton. I'm from Port Washington High School originally, graduated in 2003, 20 years ago, crazy. I live in Milwaukee. I'm a professional actor.
Hello, my name is Brian Barber, class of 99. I'm getting old. For me, it's all about character, high moral character, and sportsmanship, right? That's what we talk about in school. That's what I learned. And I think giving back is the adult representation of those ideals and that character.
My belief is that we learn a lot about ourselves, who we want to be, the world, all through the people we surround ourselves with. And a lot of times, the first kind of communities you're a part of are people you meet at school. And I still have friends that I'm very close with that I met in high school.
Just having those connections really sets you up for things later in life, and maybe not even later in life, but right now. There's so many opportunities out there, and with doing Port Pride, that puts you out there and it puts your face and your name, and it opens up so many doors for later opportunities.
There's so many groups you can be in. I would say if you have any interest, or you're not sure if you're interested but you just feel like you need a change or a challenge, or you're kind of like same old, challenge yourself and be involved in a group that you might not have initially thought of, because not only will, sure, it'll help you academically to see that you've been in groups and stuff like that, but more on a personal level, you can be challenged, whether that's in your way of thinking, making new friends. You never know how those relationships, even if they're not close friends, will end up like inspiring you in your life.
The biggest thing is, one, you want your community to reflect who you are, what your values are. So to make sure that your community reflects what you want to see in your community, gotta make sure you're a part of it. And then on top of that, making sure that we're paying it forward.
What brought me back to Port Washington was the special community that we have here. Although I was never the best athlete, I participated in a few different sports such as tennis and baseball. I did some volunteering and did some other extracurricular activities as well. I found it to be a great way to connect with my classmates outside of the classroom, as well as it being a great way to build a sense of purpose, expand my skill sets, and overall it was just a great way to have fun.
You know, you get to meet a lot of really cool people and a lot of like-minded people, and it is a great opportunity to be able to, help those that helped us along the way. We grew up as pirates. We learned about sportsmanship and, working together as a team. And, as we've gotten older, now the community is our team. And we're trying to help them, get as many victories as possible.
What does giving back mean to me, and what does it mean to the community? I think they're forever linked. I don't think you can have community without people who give back, either of their time, their talent, or their treasure. So it can even be the small things. Picking up trash as you're walking on the streets, opening the door for someone and waiting for them, or helping them get their groceries to their car. Little things like that, that is what makes community. Seeing your neighbors, that's what makes someone a neighbor as opposed to just someone that lives near you.
And I think that as humans, we all seek to belong and to feel like we're a part of something. And that brings us a sense of purpose, a sense of joy, connection. And the place that you spend most of your time is school, at least now in your life. And so I think it's really important to make the most of that and to find those people that you connect with, those people that you have things in common with.
The more you can just kind of say, yes, and I want to try this. I'm going to try this. If I don't like it, it's okay. Not putting judgment on that, because it doesn't matter if you don't know what you're going to do. Nobody is expecting you to know 100% what you're going to do, or if you're going to go to college, not go to college, all that stuff. But this is the time to try it out. By trying it out, you're going to give back to the Port Washington community, and you're going to give back to the teachers, and very importantly, you're going to give back to yourself.
Right, you always want to leave the area, the community better than how it was when you entered into it. So if maybe right now it doesn't matter to you, think about it in the future, right? Think about the future kids. And you want to make sure they have a community and a system that they can depend on and can rely on. And it'd be really cool if you're a part of that. So yay, get involved.
The last piece I want to touch on is legacy. This is important to me. None of us get out of here alive, right? So how will you be remembered? What will you do in your life that creates a legacy for others and positively impacts your community and the world? I'm convinced cities are built with wood and concrete, but communities are built through giving and relationships, right? And the way that you build those is giving back.
And the more that we give back, the better our community is able to grow.